for Amazon that he could do as well. So if you guys want to learn how you can do affiliate marketing, I just made this new course. It's over 6 hours long. It's step by step, everything you need to know to start making money today, even if you don't even have a YouTube channel yet. By the end of the night, you could be getting views to your YouTube channel and getting affiliate sales. That's why I believe this is the best business model in 2020 right now. A lot of people on YouTube are currently teaching how to make money on YouTube without making videos, but they're still using the compilation and ad method, which is something that I am very successful with, and many of my students have been as well, and I've been teaching that for over 2 years. But this method right here is just as good, if not better, because you can do it without having to worry about getting a monetized channel. You don't have to worry about what you're posting. You have a lot more freedom to post, copy, and repost videos because you're not worried about getting claimed by bots or any of those sort of things. You're just trying to get people in to have them click your link. And so I go over everything you need to know about how to do that inside this course. I've got over 100 students in there so far, and the feedback has been absolutely phenomenal. And then the best thing to do is mix this with putting ads on your videos. So if you want to learn everything about how to make the videos, how to copy, repost, put together, edit videos so you can get around duplication bots, content ID matches, how to actually get your channel monetized, which is something no one else teaches you, because obviously you're gonna have to go through a human review. Well, I have a strategy that will get you 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subs, literally like that within 2 weeks, and then you're gonna get approved and your channel is gonna be monetized within a few weeks. And then from there, I teach you everything you need to know about how to make money with ads. So if you wanna learn that, I have this limited time 4-course bundle. It's got Make Money on YouTube Made Easy and the YouTube Advanced Masterclass. So that's gonna teach you how to get monetized channels instantly, how to build your own monetized channels, how to get around compilation bots, content ID matches, all of those sort of things. But as a bonus, I'm also giving you my Shopify Dropshipping Made Simple course, teach you everything I know about Shopify dropshipping, and also my personal branding masterclass. I've made over hundreds of thousands of dollars selling courses and teaching students, and I teach you everything I know about how to do that as well. So that is a 4-course bundle, and you can get that right now for just $95. We have the affiliate marketing course that is right now $145. I am moving it up to $185 very soon. So if you want in on that, tonight's your night to get in on that. Hopefully this helps you out. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.
Bye 9 to 5.
Jordan Mackey opened my eyes to a few different things.
Jordan, he definitely knows what he's doing.
Jordan Mackey courses, it is all that you need to know.
Jordan Mackey's Buy 9 to 5. I highly recommend this course.
That's literally a steal. Like, this thing should be worth $997 or so-called $1,000 in my personal opinion.
I would recommend this course.
So when I have a chance to be successful after learning from the course, definitely yes.
Got a deposit from Google for a little over $5,200. I can confidently say that this method works, and thank you, Jordan,